What if I told you that one simple device could mean the difference between safety and disaster? In the next few minutes, we'll explore the fascinating world of fire detection systems or FDAS. Bakit sila essential at paano niya mapoprotektahan ang iyong property at mahal sa buhay? Stay with us as we unveil the smoke behind the flames. Ano nga ba ang FDAS o Fire Detection and Alarm System? Ang FDAS ay isang electrical system that detects fires and alerts people and emergency services. Ito po ay vital component para sa bahay o anumang business facilities and places of employment. These systems are responsible for protecting lives and property while reducing the damages and effects of fire na nakakasira sa ating ipinundan na gamit sa bahay man o kabuhayan. By detecting the presence of fire in its early stages, FDAS can alert building occupants and emergency responders with ample time to take appropriate actions and extinguish the fire or evacuate the building. Here are top 4 reasons kung bakit kailangan ng FDAS na maaaring hindi mo pa alam. Number 1, early detection. Ang FDAS ay nakakapag-detect ng fires in its initial stage, allowing for quicker response time. Ito ay nakakatulong na ma-reduce ang potential damage and can save people's lives. At ang FDAS ay automatically can alert local fire departments, reducing response times and improving the chances of extinguishing a fire bago ito tuluyang kumalat. Number 2, increased safety and protection. Sa pagkakaroon nito, nagsisilbing early warning through alarms and notifications. These systems help ensure the safety of occupants para mabigyan sila ng panahon para tumakas at maligtas ang kanilang buhay. This can help to minimize fire damage to buildings and belongings, potentially saving significant costs. Number 3, enhance emergency preparedness. FDAS can be integrated with other safety systems like sprinklers and other emergency lighting na makakatulong na ma-improve ang overall emergency preparedness sa kabuhayan man o pamamahay. FDAS can be integrated with smart home technology, allowing for the notifications to be sent directly to smartphones and automation for safety responses. Number 4, reduce false alarms and peace of mind. Advanced smoke detectors can distinguish between real fire threats and false alarms from cooking or steam, leading to fewer needless evacuations and disruptions. Knowing that a reliable fire detection system in place can provide peace of mind to occupants and owners, fostering a safer environment. In summary, having a well-functioning fire detection system in place can demonstrate due diligence in the part of business owners, which may limit liability in case of fire incidents. By investing a quality fire detection and alarm system, individuals and organizations can protect lives, maintain a safer environment. Laging tatandaan, pagdating sa emergency preparedness, tratuhin niya ng may seriousness para hindi tayo nagkakaroon ng nervousness. Ating maiwasan magkaroon ng loneliness para sa buhay. Tayo ay may complete happiness. Para sa karagdagang impormasyon, please don't hesitate to contact our company, Goodhand Security Products Corporation, hotline 0917-560-9365 or visit any of our 20 store branches, 6 in Metro Manila, 6 in Cavite, Laguna, Batangas area, 4 in Rizal area, and 4 in Bulacan area. Maraming salamat po.